Hello everyone. In this session we'll discuss axioms of probability. This question is, in tossing a fair dice, what is the probability of getting an even number or a number greater than 3? So, probability of getting an even number or getting a number greater than 3. We'll try to solve it in two manners. Let's see. First of all, let's see what is the sample space here. Sample space is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's say event A is probability of getting an even number. So let's say it is even numbers. So we will have 2, 4 and 6. Then second event is greater than 3. So this is 4, 5, 6. Clear? Now, from here, now we know the number of sample space is 6. This is 3, this is 3. So probability of A is 3 by 6 or 1 by 2. Also, probability of B is 3 by 6 equal to 1 by 2. What about A intersection B? A intersection B will have only one, maybe 2, 4 and 6 both. So this is having 4 and 6 both. So probability of A intersection B is 2 by 6 equal to 1 by 3. Now the question was probability of getting an even number or a number greater than 3. So this is nothing but probability of A union B, which can be given as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B, which is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. So 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Of course, from this sample, we would have checked A union B is containing 2, 4, 6 and 4, 5, 6. So 2, 4, 5, 6. And this probability becomes 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 6 equal to 2 by 3. So it was a simpler question. So it was possible to solve it in this manner, like taking out all the sample space or all the events. But if it is getting complex, it will be good to use this.